That's a little different. What's going on, guys? It's Drew, aka Drew2 HD. Real quick, I know I haven't done the video in a minute. This is going to be an unboxing for a phone. You probably know already from the description. But I haven't done the video in a minute. Been really busy, really busy with just life in general. I have cop sneakers, especially just more so Yeezy stuff, and I was doing a lot of Ultra Boost stuff, and you guys have seen a million Ultra Boost stuff. But I will be doing a Yeezy. I did get the frozen, not the frozen yellows. I got the blue tints, and I also did get the Beluga 2.0. So I'll be doing a comparison between the two and which one I like more. And you guys know how I do. I'm not going to give too much in detail with it, but I will be doing pretty much how I feel about them. But this is going to be an unboxing of a phone. I recently cracked. Well, I had an iPhone, so this is going to be an unboxing. I know there's been a lot of unboxings for this particular phone, but you know, I do my own little spin on it. So this is going to be an unboxing of the Essential phone. And I'll be doing an unboxing of it, but I'm also going to be giving you guys a comparison of how I liked it, and I'll do it after about a week. I won't do it after 72 hours or anything like that. I'll do it about after like a week. I'm coming from an iPhone 6s Plus, so you know, it's different. It'll be Android to iOS, and I was in the cell phone industry for such a long time that I don't have a dog in the race, put it that way. Like, I don't really care either one way or another. I enjoy them both. I like them both for what they offer, and I'll just be doing pretty much like how I feel about it after a week. I've heard a lot of good things about the phone. I've heard some negatives about the phone, but for the price, I couldn't beat it. Obviously, I got it off Amazon. Got it off Amazon Prime. Today is the 27th, so it's the 2 days after Christmas. I ordered it on Christmas, and I got the Prime, so it took 2 days pretty much to get here, or 1 day if you think about it that way. But recently, I was using this phone as a backup phone. I sold my iPhone 6s Plus to my brother, and I was using this phone as a backup, but unfortunately this phone was broken first here. You can probably maybe see in the little corner, it was like a little dent there, and then yesterday actually my daughter dropped it on the face of it and cracked the entire screen. So now it works, some of it, some places, and the other places it doesn't. So I'm glad I went and got the Prime and did it for the fast shipping, because otherwise I'd be SOL. So here we go. Oh, all right. So here it is, and you guys can see me now in the. Put that there. There we go. This is it. The Essential phone. As you can see, Essential PH1 includes Essential phone, fast charger, USB cable, headphone adapter. So let me get my thing again, because I'm gonna need that. My knife. So. As you either know, you don't know if you're looking, into the phone or whatever. And I know there's a lot of unboxings for this particular phone, so I appreciate you guys. If you're watching, I appreciate you going ahead and clicking on this particular video. But I'm getting this in December. Some people got this when it first came out. Some people pre-ordered it. Some people pre-registered for it, or whatever the case may be. Some people have gone, October, whatever, October, November. Those are some of the other ones that I've seen on the phone in particular. So, me getting it December. There's been a lot of updates to this particular phone. Sorry about the camera waving this there real quick. But there's been a lot of people that've gotten this phone. Some people got it when it first came out. Some people have and I'm just now getting it. So somebody like me, I'm just now getting it. So there's been a lot of updates to this particular phone. I've heard some piss poor things about the camera, but I've heard also that that they fixed the camera. So it comes with that little thing that comes off, and I got mine in Black Moon. I thought about getting it in white, and hopefully I don't regret not getting it in white. But I had my iPhone in white, so I was thinking maybe I get this one in black. But that's nice. It's a little slide out box, nothing too much to it. So you can see there's the phone. That's pretty dope. Okay, so my first impressions on the phone is it's really dope. That's really nice in the back there. As you can see, super glossy. So it's titanium. Titanium are all around the sides. I'll go back. Still focusing on this. So it's titanium all across the sides, all on the sides here. And ceramic on the back. So now you can see a little bit better. And it's got this Black Moon, so I'll pull this up. You can see that. So that's dope. Man, look how glossy this one is. Like, you can literally see me on the back of through the back of this phone, which is pretty cool, because if you're taking like not so much selfies, but the selfie camera is 8 megapixel in the front, and these are 13 megapixels in the back. But the only thing I don't like about it, sometimes I like to take pictures, obviously, with the iPhone 6s Plus. It didn't have the greatest front face camera. So this one's got 8 megapixels, so this will probably be a lot better. But you can't see if you're taking, usually the rear cameras are a lot better. So on an iPhone or something, any other phone pretty much, you can't really see yourself. So you can't really set yourself up for a shot. But with this, you can set yourself up for a shot and take that picture. But then this is really dope. I'm glad I actually got the black. It'll probably be a fingerprint magnet, but it's whatever. These things come with it comes with 2 magnets here for modular things. You got a 360 camera, blah 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 blah, all that good stuff. If you want an in-depth review, just look it up on YouTube. Pretty much. Turns right on. That's nice. Type-C charger. Let me see if I can get this. There you go. Type-C charger, and you got your. There's no headphone jack for it. There's your speaker grill right there. But overall, looks like a dope phone. It's clean Android. No skins over it. Obviously, you can see there's, aside from that, the essential, there's no branding on it whatsoever. So in the box, you get this stuff right here. So you get your charger, which is, I've seen online, looks pretty dope. It's got the like this silver outlining on it. Around here is like silver, so that's dope. So you got that. You got your headphone adapter, Type-C to headphone adapter. You got that, which is cool. I don't really miss it. I mean, in everyday life, this is braided. This is nice. So this braided and this braided is good because you won't get kinks, and that's one of the things. And the phone just dropped great. Hopefully that's not a sign of things to come. But having it braided, the thing I hate about the iPhone shit is that it's you can break it, and it's real easy to break at the connector, and they're really not made that great. But braided, that is definitely the way to go. It's colored black, so that's awesome as well. This phone keeps dropping, so hopefully that is not a bad sign of things to come. So there's that. Not too much of it. You got your little SIM card tray popper out thingy, and I don't think there's anything else in here. Let's see if there's like a surprise case or nothing. I don't think so. I haven't seen anything like that online. So that's pretty much it. Black Moon Essential PH1 I should say. So once I get this set up, I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna do a review after a week, how I feel about it. I didn't get any cases or anything like that. The real reason I got this phone is because I was gonna get the OnePlus 5T. I decided against it just for the fact that it was about $120 more than this phone. This I wound up getting it for $449 on Amazon. I think they sell it for $5.99 on their website, but I wanted to get it for $449. So I will not complain about that price whatsoever. I was gonna get the iPhone 10, but I decided against it. I don't like that iPhone slows down my phone after a while. I always thought it was true. I always was thinking like that's something that's always gonna happen because I was in the cell phone industry for so long, and I seen it happen firsthand. But when they went ahead and said yes, that we actually do it for battery reasons, I was out. I would not have any part of the iPhone 10. And the iPhone 10 is like $1,000. This is 128 gigabytes internal storage, so there's no expandable memory. But if I was gonna get the 256, I'd be up to $1,200. It's not that I don't have it; it's just that I was not fucking gonna spend it on that phone. So I could have bought like 3 or 4 of these for this. And this is honestly a badass build quality. It feels like you have an iPhone in your hand. It's heavy. It's got some weight to it. Like I don't even know what the other phone is, so I'll drop it. Okay, here it is. So this phone here, I mean, this is not obviously the greatest phone in the world. It's a ZTE, but look how much bigger this phone is, right? So how much bigger this phone is, and this one has got weight to it. It's hefty. It's got it feels like you're holding a phone in your hand. But I don't want to make this too long. I'm gonna do a follow-up video to it. $449 on Amazon.com. If you guys want to go ahead and buy that, I'll leave the link in the description. And again, it's been DrewTube HD. I appreciate you guys going ahead and liking, subscribing. If you liked it, give it a like. If you loved it, give it a sub. I appreciate that. And as always, man, y'all stay blessed and stay tuned for my other videos. Got some more content coming. And as always, man, y'all stay blessed.